Hello everyone, my name is Lauren McGuire and I'm going to be talking to you today a little bit about learning differences. This is going to be my main theme throughout this course, so let's go ahead and get started. Learning differences are going to be really important for future teachers and myself to understand, not only for the benefit of the students, but also so I can allow them to reach their full potential. As we know, classrooms are becoming more and more diverse each and every year, and along with that becomes more and more learning differences with the students. What causes learning differences? Factors from the outside world and also factors from within them, which we can get into that a little bit later down the road and stuff. So why is this all so important? Well, first of all, we want all of our students to reach their full potential. That's what's most important. Secondly, this is an in-task standard. It states that teachers are to understand that there are going to be learning differences among their students, and I need to be able to implement evidence-based practices so that way they can reach their full potential and be successful with that. It is every child's right to receive the best education that they can, and it is my responsibility to deliver that. So with that being said, that's just a quick overview of learning differences, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you!